welcome everybody to another episode of Boat Watch here on the Moto channel. I'm back at the Boynton Beach Inlet, everyone's favorite spot.
I was back at the Inlet, Ocean Inlet Park, Boynton Beach, Florida, everyone's favorite spot. Normally I catch a lot of boats heading out. Today I was catching a lot of boats coming back in. It was like midday on a Friday. Yes, I'm usually down here on Saturdays filming, but today it was a Friday, the last Friday of 2024.
We got a big tuna boat coming this way, inbound. Check this out. Oh yeah, there he is. He's heading this way. Yep. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. I can zoom in more if I switch to 1080p, but I'm in 4K at the moment. And by the time I switch everything over, this guy will be long gone, so. Yeah. I wonder who this is. It's not Miller time, but we shall soon find out. Gino 5. Oh, there you go. From Hypoluxo Point, Florida. Yes. Is it Hypoluxo or Hypoluxo? I'll go with Hypoluxo. Don't recall seeing that guy before, but I might have just missed him or may have been down here at the wrong time. I'm down here on a Friday. Normally I'm here on Saturdays, but I'm on a Friday today, the 27th December 2024. Interesting. There you go. It's lighting it up. I got here midday today. I had to go for my CDL DOT physical that I came down here, so I missed all the outbound boats. So now I'm catching all the inbound boats. Got another tuna boat coming this way. Yep, there he is. I wonder if this is Miller time, not sure. Oh yeah, it is Miller time. Woo! Less filling, tastes great. I will say Miller makes a better beer compared to Budweiser. Yeah, that's right, I said it. Alright. We got away! Yay! So yeah, a lot of people don't know that I have a commercial driver's license. It's a Class B. I used to be a school bus driver. I don't use the license anymore, but I still keep it up to date. So I dropped $119 at the CVS Minute Clinic, get my DOT physical, and now I'm good for a whole year. I got blood pressure issues, so they only give me 1 year. So I thought I was going to only get 3 months, but I got lucky. And then I decided to come down here. It's a Friday afternoon, midday actually. I don't even know what the temperature is, but the weather is perfect. A little rain in the air passed through, so you got some cloud cover. So it's holding back some of those sun rays a little bit. But awesome here on the last Friday of 2024 down here. Man, that mild winter, you can't beat it. Florida in winter is so sweet, man. I'm sorry if you live up north. Sorry I have to rub it in, but man, awesome. Ah, angle drop. Name of this guy. Oh, yeah, alright. Sometimes they'll stop in the middle and make a U-turn and go back. You know, if the water's too choppy, but I mean, the water's choppy, but not too bad. Palm Beach Sheriff's Office up there.
Yeah, sometimes if the water's too choppy, the smaller boats will kind of go halfway through the inlet, then turn around and go back to the intercoastal. This right here is Lady K, a regular. Caught this guy coming inbound, and a couple other big fishing charters as well.
Cinderella, name of this boat. Grady White. Cinderella. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. See if we can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Oh, got it. Man, the boats creep up on you if you don't pay attention, for sure. Yes, sir. Another day at the office. The Boynton Beach Inlet. A fan favorite here at the Moto channel. Now this guy's a regular. I've seen him a few times. This boat right here is one of my favorites. A bird tram right there. Look at that, man. That's like a Rolls Royce of boats. Or a Cadillac. Talk about perfect timing. Check this out. Seamus 3, yeah. Rare treat to catch him coming inbound. Usually I catch him going out. Let's see if we're getting a wave. Are we getting waving? Nah. Ah, no wave. A couple liquors, but no wave. Alright, I think we got one. Sometimes you get waves from the back. Seamus 3, Boynton Beach. And he's going to be making a left-hand turn. And he parks over at the Boynton Beach Harbor Marina. I got to do a video out there. It's been a little while. And here comes Southern Comfort. Southern Comfort 4. Right here, living on island time. Yay! That was cool. Oh. I got honked at. Oh yeah. Patty B right here. Patty B. You get really good acoustics out here at this inlet. When you get one of those big fishing charters rolling through here and the exhaust, it just echoes, man. So awesome. I was flapping my lips and almost missed this guy. Ah, got him. Pelicans. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Pelican. Ah, check this out. He's just chilling. Oh, wow. Woo, man. I heard him coming, man. Yeah. Hello, little pelican. All right. Oh. See you later. And we got some seagulls here with us today. Hello, seagull. Aw, cute. Oh, okay. All right, we got a little mini center console here. Outgoing tuna boat right here. Ah. Now these are really cool because they gotta make sure the poles are lowered before they go under the bridge. Wow, look at that! That's beautiful. We're giving a wave. Gino 5, yes. We caught him coming in. Now he's heading back out. Oh, there they go. Yeah. Cool. I'm standing over here today. It's my spot of the day. So that was Gino 5, my first time seeing the guy down here at the inlet, and I saw him twice today. There you go. By the way, I have a podcast. Yes, it's Mr. Manny. I'm on Spotify. Mr. Manny, Mr. Space M-A-N-N-Y. Also, Mr. Manny on TikTok, so if you want to check me out on those two platforms, just a podcast about nothing, pretty much. Just talk about whatever comes in the old brain. And TikTok, I've just kind of just been vlogging, you know, something I always like to do, and it seems to be more better on TikTok. But so yeah, Mr. Manny both on TikTok and Mr. Manny on Spotify. So go check those out. Angle drop. Egret right here. Yeah, we got a bunch of birds down here today. Egrets, or yes, herons. I think this is an egret. Pelicans, seagulls, even pigeons. Yes, a mosaic of birds. Boats and a fire engine today. There you go, me mucho. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this video is a wrap. Hey, thank you for watching today's presentation. I'm Mr. Manny for the Manny Moto channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is in the books.